We'll guide you through how to configure the best settings for Streamlabs to enhance your streaming experience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs on your computer and head to the settings by clicking the gear icon at the bottom left corner. Here, you'll want to start with the General tab. Make sure that the Enable Performance mode is checked to optimize your system's performance during streams. Next, switch to the Output tab. For the Output mode, choose Advanced. This gives you more control over your stream settings. Under the Streaming section, set your encoder to X264 if you have a powerful CPU, or select NVENC if you're using an NVIDIA graphics card for better performance. Set the rate control to CBR, which stands for constant bitrate, ensuring a stable stream quality. Adjust the bitrate to match your internet upload speed. A general rule of thumb is to use 70% of your total upload speed, but typically, a bitrate between 2500 to 6000 is good for most streams. Moving on to the Audio tab, ensure your sample rate matches your microphone's settings, usually 44.1 kHz or 48 kHz. Set all your audio devices correctly, with your microphone and desktop audio set to default, or your specific devices. Now, go to the Video tab. Set your base, canvas, resolution to match your monitor's resolution, often 1920 by 1080, and your output, scaled, resolution to 1280 by 720 if you want to reduce the load on your system while maintaining a decent quality. Set the downscale filter to Lanczos for the best quality downscaling and the FPS value to 30 or 60 based on your preference and system capability. Finally, navigate to the Advanced tab and set Process Priority to above normal. This ensures Streamlabs gets more CPU resources compared to other tasks. Save your settings by clicking Done. Don't forget to test your stream and make any necessary adjustments based on your system's performance and viewer feedback. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.